Hey everybody, Gina DeLuca here. Hey, I got the hard cast off, but I'm still in a brace. My thumb is achy today. I was gonna attempt to do some pouring, but I would need to change out my whole work area, which would require moving tiles and stuff, and some of them are big. Basically, I don't feel like doing it today. I want to pour very badly. But my doctor also said if it hurts, don't do it. So today my thumb hurts. So I'm going to be kind and gentle to it, with it and to it. So going to do another alcohol ink ethereal thing. I got a bigger tile and I've kind of just been working with more homogeneous colors that you know if they mix it'll still be beautiful. Today I want to work with colors that could potentially make mud. I want to stretch the limits. I want to see how much I can get away with. When I did my first straight pour, all of those colors together should have made mud. So I broke a rule and got a really cool painting out of it. So I want to see what will happen with the alcohol inks. So first, I've had people ask me about my Lazy Susan contraption. This is just a Wilton cake decorating plate that spins. And it wasn't high enough for doing the pours. I couldn't really get under there. So I took a plate from the dollar store and I just duct taped it to the plate, or to the Lazy Susan. There you have it. Okay, here we have a big tile. I'm gonna squirt some alcohol on here, give it a wipe down, get rid of any dust or oils, any kind of schmutz left behind. This tile is clean. All right, colors I have. Purple Twilight, Focus, and Dandelion. If I need rescue, I have the Wild Plum, just in case. You hope it doesn't come down to that. I have my air compressor set to about 30 psi. I'm going to start with a little puddle of alcohol. Okay, do some more alcohol and the Purple Twilight. I have some eggplant here. I'm just going to do just a touch of it up in that corner. Just like one dot. I have the wild plum here. I just want to add a pop of that bright color there. And some more of the purple twilight. And I'll do a drop of the dandelion in that side. I do want a little bit of a better blend right there. So I have some alcohol blending solution. That was just alcohol. So let's just say I don't like what's happening right there. This is what I love about alcohol inks. You can pick it up and start over on that section. I'm not loving what the eggplant has done over here. So I am going to just do this side again. abandoning the eggplant and just doing the purple twilight. And then just do a little bit more on the edge here with just the straight purple twilight and just a bit of a wild plum to balance that out. Okay, I could literally keep messing with this all day. This first section, it worked out perfectly, I think, because I did not overwork it. I overworked this section a bit, kept messing with it. I think some inks hold up to being reactivated better than others. And, you know, I mean, it's still pretty. And if you don't overwork it, it'll come out fine. So learn from that. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will be getting back to acrylic pouring very, very soon. Please check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar if you feel so inclined, my Amazon store, anything that you purchase off the entire site of Amazon, I receive a small commission of it, no extra cost to you while you're doing all that holiday shopping. My website, Go Make Some Art, or our Facebook group, Go Make Some Art. The link is there. Post your masterpieces. Get some advice if you need it. And my website, GinaDeLuca.net. I have paintings and music for sale there. And check out the Teespring link below this video to get your Go Make Some Art gear. There's mugs and shirts and tote bags and stuff. All right, guys, that's it for me. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.